Weep, William, weep, but don't you weep too long. The bowman's call is for us all, and he's here before too long. Weep, William, weep, but don't you weep too long. Settle that score or be washed ashore before you can right the wrong. Weep, William, weep, but don't you weep too long. The old great ghost is clearing its throat, and now she's singing a song. Weep, William, weep, some tears have gotta fall. Where the lesson learned and the bridge is burned, you can climb back over the wall. Weep, William, weep, but don't you weep too long. The shepherd ran late and forgot the gate, left my thoughts outside of Rome. The wild wind blew and sent me you, a fresh-faced elfin girl. The awkward truth like a crooked tooth, digging hard into my world. So I say, weep, William, weep, but don't you weep too long. Time to curse and another verse of a long forgotten song. Weep, William, weep, but don't you weep too long. A lonely soul will never grow, but together we are strong. Weep, William, weep, but don't you weep too long. The days are few, so enjoy the view. Yesterday's dead and gone. Purveyor tricks, spend the midnight hour looking for a fix. Sings in the cemetery, skips between the stones, born with a heavy step and a hole in the soul. The man who ate a hurricane just blowing through, spread his arms like a fever and burn a hole right through you. Only took the mother, so the sister too. Now you're alone. A young mother seduced by the song, a crooked lullaby for her only son. Clutching her fragile heart, it took the faith in her grace, she tore it apart. Only took the mother, restored her sister too. Now the devil's on the loose, and all you can do is cower in the calm, praying for shelter from the storm. Wretched with sin, tail in a hurricane, so whimper and wind. Shouts from the gutter, stood between the dogs. Well, begone, 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 my God. Only to the mother, stole the sister too. And the devil's on the loose, and all you can do is cower in the calm, praying for shelter from the storm. his evil seed. He sent his words out to war on a calculating breeze. The man who ate a hurricane never blew again. Save us, oh save us from the storm with